topic is: should robots be used to perform tasks traditionally done by humans? Discuss both sides and give your opinion. Now, listen to the Band 9 response.
The integration of robots into various sectors to perform tasks traditionally done by humans has become a prominent topic of discussion. While some argue that robots can enhance efficiency and safety, others express concerns about the potential loss of jobs and the impact on human skills. Both perspectives have their merits. Proponents of using robots argue that they can significantly improve productivity and precision in various industries. For instance, in manufacturing, robots can perform repetitive tasks more efficiently than humans, leading to increased output and reduced costs. Additionally, robots can operate in hazardous environments, such as in construction or disaster recovery, minimizing risks to human workers. This capability not only protects human lives, but also allows for tasks to be completed faster and more safely. Furthermore, as robots take on mundane and labor-intensive jobs, human workers can focus on more complex, creative, and strategic roles, thereby enhancing overall job satisfaction and innovation. On the other hand, critics raise valid concerns about the displacement of jobs and the devaluation of human labor. As robots become more capable, many traditional jobs may become obsolete, leading to unemployment and economic inequality. For example, positions in sectors like retail and customer service may be threatened as companies adopt automated systems. Additionally, over-reliance on robots may erode essential human skills and lead to a decline in interpersonal interactions, which are crucial for building relationships and communities. In my opinion, while robots can enhance efficiency and safety, a balanced approach is necessary. Implementing robots should be accompanied by measures to retrain workers and provide opportunities for them to transition into new roles. By doing so, we can harness the benefits of robotics while ensuring that humans continue to play a vital role in the workforce. Ultimately, the goal should be to create a synergistic relationship between humans and robots, enhancing productivity without sacrificing employment opportunities.
Thank you for watching. Find the link in bio to get access of more than 100 letters and essays and their Band 9 level responses.